Hello guys, welcome to this video guys. And to this video, we're going to discuss about Java expression, statements, and blocks. In the previous video, where we have know about variables and operators and literals. And in this video, we're be easier to you to understand this concept na expressions and statements. So in Java expressions, guys, it consists of variables, operators, and literals, and method calls. So in this example, we have int data type and score, and score is equals to 90. So ito guys is yung tinatawag na expression, no? Score is equal to 90 is an expression. So ito naman is expression. So number 1 is equal to number 2. So, it's an expression. And then ito naman guys, yung nagpe-print tayo, isang tinatawag din itong expression. Number 1 is larger than number 2. So yun yung mga examples na ganyan. So yung Java statement naman guys is in Java, a statement is a complete unit of execution. So ibig sabihin, so yung sample na to, si int is int score is equal to 9 times 5 is statement, because kasi kung ito lang is tinatawag na expression statement, kasi hindi pa yan na determinate ng semicolon. Pag ito lang guys, pag wala siyang semicolon, tinatawag niya yung expression statement. So kung ito lang, expression statement lang. Pero pag kino-convert na natin ito statement, lalagyan lang natin ng semicolon. Kasi yung expression guys is part lang ng statement. So ito is a complete statement. So yan guys, comment ko muna. So ito yung Java blocks naman ay Java block is a group of statements, no, 0 or more that is enclosed in curly brace. So ibig sabihin niya, yung sample natin dito, so yung F natin ay may parenthesis siya na may condition na 10 is greater than 5. Yung inside ng block na to, which is ito yung start na block at saka yung end na block. So ito yung tinatawag na blocks. So yung inside dito is pwede natin lagyan ng number na 10 or 9 plus 1. So ito guys yung statement. So pwede natin lagyan ng statement yung sa loob ng blocks na to. So yan. So pag ang tawag dito ay inside block. So nasa inside block yung statement. So I hope you learn a lot guys about expression, statements, and blocks. See you on the next video guys.